Slimwin Reacts, and today we're going to be looking at Thailand's most beautiful waterfalls. This is a bit where I'm going to... Erawan Waterfall? Erawan? You knew what I meant. Right, so yeah, it's a place, from what I had a quick look on the map, it's to the west side of Bangkok. Not going to guess how long it takes to get there from Bangkok. I think you'd have to stay closer to Erawan Waterfall. But yeah, let's delve into it, have a look and see what it's all about.
สวัสดีครับ ใช่ แล้ววันหนึ่งไม่ใช่กับกัดใช่ไหม
5,000 baht.
ใช่ไหมโอเค ขอบคุณมากครับ Alright, so I just got my car that I rented for the rest of my trip, so I can take to the waterfall and other places around Kanchanaburi. And I rented this car for 700 baht a day.
So that's about
And I
20
had to
English
deposit
pounds
3,000
a
baht,
day.
so it worked out
Maybe
to
just
be
under.
5,100 baht to rent this car for 3 days, and it's like a Honda Jazz. The good thing about this car
Ideal.
rental place is that it's cheap. They deliver it to your hotel and pick it up from your hotel as well. So
That's ideal, that you don't have to drive to the car rental place, they'll come and pick it up. Just makes life so
I
much
didn't have to
easier.
go anywhere. I decided to rent a car this time because other times I've had accidents on motorbikes, so I'm guessing safety should be my first priority. So that's why I was willing to pay the extra money for safety.
Makes sense.
Sorry, ครับ คุณต่างชาติเท่าไหร่นะ 300 บาท So
Cool, so it's a
foreigners
national
is
park.
300 baht per person. ขอบคุณมากครับ So I've just reached the Erawan Waterfall, and it costs 300 Thai baht for foreigners and 100 Thai baht for locals. This is the local bus that you can catch from Kanchanaburi to the Erawan Falls and back to Kanchanaburi from the Erawan Falls.
Oh, that's handy, so
Yeah.
you can get a bus instead of renting a bike or a car. Ideal.
They've also got rules and regulations of how you should dress in this park as well. So no bikinis, you can only wear covered up clothing like that.
Wow.
Halfway is really
It's
nice
cool.
and pretty. Too bad the trees are like dead. Well, half of it's all dead. If the grass and trees were all green, I think it would look a lot nicer. Here's the map of all the
Is
waterfalls.
that just the time of the year then? Or?
The first waterfall is 20 meters away. The second one is 170. Third is 220. Fourth is 500.
How many have they got there?
Fifth
Whoa.
is 1.2 kilometers. Sixth is 1.4. And the seventh is 1.5 kilometers. Look at this. Looks nice already. I'm not even at the top, but look at that.
That's stunning. So nice.
I love how it's just layers and layers.
Look
like
how clear the water is.
Really
Wow.
great place to take photos.
That's so nice.
If these small ones impress me already, I can't imagine what the main waterfall would look like.
That's just the first
Look
one
at the
after
colour of the
6.
Really pretty.
I'd love to go here.
This
This looks
feels
really
like the
cool.
place where they make soap commercials or shampoo commercials, you know? So apparently this is during the low season where there's no water. Because if there's water, all the water will be all along this dry area as well here.
Yeah,
But right now
you
it's
can
just
see where it
in
goes.
this small section here. So you can imagine how much more prettier it would be during the wet season. But I think this is really pretty already.
Stunning. So nice.
Wow, look at that. That is really pretty. And I don't even know if this is the first floor yet.
Yeah, if you're into your
Look how
photography,
nice the colour of the water
this looks
is.
like the place to go. Man.
What do you call that? Aqua or turquoise? Look, there's just levels and levels of these small water streams.
Lots of exploring.
Now look at that guy there walking. Wow. Look at that.
He's doing well walking on the log, balancing with his camera. So pretty.
Look at everyone taking photos here. So I guess here's a good view. This waterfall is really, really nice. This is probably the most beautiful waterfall I've ever seen. Look how clear the water is. There's even fish.
Oh, you can see
swimming
the
in there.
fish. Wow. It's like what I have on my Windows screensaver.
Alright, now I'm heading
So
to
nice.
the second level. Wow, look at this. There's more people on this level now. Look at that. Whoa. Look how nice that looks. Got a lot of people swimming here. Look at that waterfall. Looks
Whoa,
so
that's
nice.
really cool.
Woo.
What are we on, the second waterfall? Good way to cool off if it's really hot.
If someone made a soap or shampoo commercial here, I'll definitely buy it. Alright, now let's head up to the third level. So I've also got these safety vests for rent. The safety vest costs 20 baht per person, and you gotta put 100 Thai baht for deposit. Whoa! Look at that. Now this is a bigger waterfall, and there's less people here.
Whoa.
This waterfall looks really nice. It just seems like the waterfall just keeps on getting better and better the higher I go up. Look at that.
Look at that, that's so cool.
But there's not much people swimming here for some reason. Not as much as the second level anyway. And look at all these fishes here.
That's amazing.
Not even scared. Look at them.
Wonder what type
Look
of
at that
fish
guy
they are.
just sitting on the chair there in the water.
Chilled.
Look how many people there are now. Now time for me to go check out the rest of the waterfalls. Steep steps getting up to this waterfall. It better be worth it. I've reached the 4th level. It looks pretty cool, but I guess so far my favorite is level 3, then level 2.
So this must be the 4th waterfall, and yeah, level 3 was cool.
Alright, time to head.
Level 3 you had more
Level
space
5.
to swim.
Look at everyone hiking here. So another 450 meters to the 5th waterfall. The 4th waterfall was a bit disappointing, I would say, because climbed all the way up here and it wasn't much, but it was still good. I can't complain, you know.
I love the path you have to get to each waterfall.
It's more of a rough terrain to get to this 5th waterfall. It's not much of a path.
A
You
little
gotta
more trickier, is
go
it?
through all these rocks here. Here it is, the 5th level. Pretty nice. Still, my favourite level is still the 3rd.
Can't get over that water. Look how clear it is. You can clearly see the fish there.
Now it's gonna be another 300 meters to the 6th waterfall. So now these last 3 waterfall is more of a hike getting up. There's not much of a path. So if you're not quite fit, I wouldn't recommend these last 3 waterfalls to you. But so far, my favourite waterfalls are on level 3 and level 2.
I wonder how bad the mosquitoes are there, if anyone knows. Because mosquitoes love me.
Look at all these people hiking up here. Dogs making their way to the waterfall as well. Oh, there's a monkey up there.
Amazing, that's so cool.
that's the way to level 6 waterfall. And I guess you gotta cross this water here. Is it good view? Good view? Alright. Hey, how you going, brother?
Ça va? I see you everywhere.
You see me everywhere.
In the train.
On the train yesterday.
In the rain.
Yeah.
Best part about backpacking, look how friendly it is even for tourists for one another.
Shanghai? No, Shanghai.
No, here in Kanchanaburi.
Okay.
Yeah, the big tree. What country are you from?
France.
France. Ah, nice to meet you.
Je l'ai vu 2 fois hier. En fait, je l'ai vu quand on était dans le train et lui il était dans le train, tu sais. Et il filmait comme ça, j'ai fait oh. Après, je l'ai revu
I don't know what they're saying.
Là, je le regarde.
Hopefully nothing rude.
Hello, brother. Okay. See you, man. See ya. So I got my shoes and socks off and I'm off. Whoa,
So yeah,
it's
a
pretty.
little more trickier to get to
See?
this one.
Don't know which way to go. Whoa. Oh man. Maybe I'll go up here. It's really slippery. Alright, seems a bit less,
Finding another route, you
less
see.
steeper and a bit more safer, I guess. Alright. Woo! Nice and cool. Look at this. Making my way to the other side. Whoa, slippery. Whoa! This waterfall better be worth it.
He's doing well holding the
Oh,
camera and
yeah,
not slipping
this is pretty
over.
cool. And how that guy got up there is beyond me.
Really nice waterfall. Not so much for swimming space, but no, I'd make the effort to climb up to the top to see it for sure.
Alright, let me try to get closer to the waterfall here. Oh! Wow, look at that. Look at the waterfall behind me there. Look how nice that looks. Oh.
That's cool.
Alright, now time for me to get down and head to the final waterfall. The 7th level waterfall.
Oh, there's
So I'm
another
assuming
waterfall to go.
when it's wet season, all the water flows through here. But since it's dry season, there's not much water flowing through. I can't imagine how nice it will be during wet season. Look at that. I mean, this already looks nice, and it's not even wet season.
Can you
But
go
I'm
there
not
wet
quite
season
sure
though, or is
how
it too
clear the
much
would
water?
be during wet season. Definitely gonna have to take your shoes off to go to the 7th level. There is no path to getting to this waterfall now.
How's he going to get there?
Look at
then?
this. People
Oh.
have put sticks all along the bottom of this stone here. I forgot what the meaning is, but it's really symbolical about relationships, I guess.
If you know the meaning, please comment. I'll be really interested to know.
See, look at this. This is what you have to do to get to the 7th level. Alright, wish me luck.
Wow.
Hopefully I don't slip and fall.
I'm sure it'd be worth it for him, the
Oh.
effort he's making.
Look at this wobbly plank of wood.
Does look slippery.
Taking my sweet time to get over. So there is the step to the 7th level. But I don't know where that man is going. Or that woman is going. She's going off the beaten path. This final level is probably the most difficult and hardest to get to. Everyone is just slipping and falling, but it's good to see people helping one another out.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Fine.
What country are you from?
We are from China.
China. Oh, nice. But you speak Thai? A little bit. That's good. Oh, I think it's right there. I can hear people screaming. So I guess the waterfall is just up ahead. Alright, so I finally made it. 7th floor. So it's 1.5 meters deep and it has a green safety rating. So it's quite safe. Like an oasis up here.
Whoa, that's got more of the jungle effect, hasn't it, alongside the waterfall?
Yeah.
You got the conqueror.
Woo!
He did well.
Look at that.
Whoa,
That is beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
that is cool.
It's like a green oasis.
So tired.
Yeah, but so worth it. So you got the stone rock there, then the waterfall flowing down, the green trees there. Wow. Level 7 was worth it. But the best place to swim still is on level 3 and level 2.
So yeah, I guess that's why it was more busy on the first few levels for locals just wanting to go for a swim and cool off maybe. But I think if you go there for the first time you'd want to make the effort climbing up to the top. But it does look a lot of effort that this poor chap's having to go through. You can imagine the rocks are so slippery.
Look at this.
Wow.
Not slippery here. Wow, look at that. These rocks are not slippery at all.
So cool.
Still got to be careful anyway.
The shape of those rocks from the water. They look incredibly
Alright,
smooth.
Made it to the top.
Whoa.
Look at everyone down there. And look at that nice, colourful turquoise water. Never seen anything this beautiful before.
Unbelievable. Like I'd say it's busy there, but I'd expect it to be busy, but it's not like ram-packed, is it? You know, you can still move around and do your own thing.
Right, I hope you guys enjoyed the waterfall today. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
That's a cool video. You did well there to get a really good idea of how he got there by car, how much it costs to get in, how busy it was, and to be fair, it did look tricky come the end to get to the last 2-3 waterfalls. Nice to know if you're not able to get up to the last couple of waterfalls, considering that it's a bit of a challenge, it's slippery, and it looks really steep, you know, to get to. If you could only make the first 2, it's ideal. You've still got loads of swimming space, and those first couple of waterfalls were just as epic as the last couple that we saw. No, I really like this place. I like the idea as well that we've seen videos on my channel from beaches and paradise to then the jungle vibe as well, where you can go on hikes like this to go and see waterfalls. Just something completely different again this country offers. Yeah, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Thank you for yeah, just commenting and making this channel what it is. Okay, I've been Slimwin Reacts, and ciao.